If you have issues with the bypass charger not working properly on the Samsung Galaxy A27, then first of all, we're gonna go to settings. Then over here in settings, we're gonna scroll down over here and go to advanced features. And then in advanced features, you want to go to game booster settings. Of course, over here, you should be able to enable bypass charging. Here we have pause USB PD charging when gaming, so we can tap on the switcher in order to turn it on. However, first of all, make sure that power supply is compatible with Samsung Galaxy smartphones, because there is a chance that your bypass charger might not be supported by a Samsung Galaxy smartphone, in this case, of course, Galaxy A27. Another thing that is quite important is that your bypass charger should have at least 25 watts, as it is written over here, that the programmable power supply must have 25 watts or more. And another thing that is important is that the battery on your phone must be 20% or more. So here it is also written over here in this description. So if your battery level is less than 20%, then most likely you will not be able to use your bypass charger. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.